Then you have insert command, insert into. So you have a table, you have formed a structure of a table, you have given the names of the column, because this is when you create a table. Now you want to add the records. For that, these adding record, or you say adding rows, you can add only one row at a time. This is insert into. So how you write it? Insert into, then you have to tell the table name or write the table name. Then in this column name, you have to insert the values this. So column name will get this value, value 1. Column 2 will have this corresponding 2 value. Then dot dot dot, column n will have this value. So you can also write insert into table name, and simply you can say values. These are the values, value 1, value 2, value 3, and this will take its corresponding places, right? So this is how we do it. So if you want to insert this information, so how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to insert these rows. So let us take one of these. You want to insert into this table, which is the table with the table name is student. This table is called as student. So you want to insert values into this student table, and what will be the values? Insert into student values, AD number, this will be AD number, this will be name, this will be your class, this will be a section, and this will be your fees. Similarly, this one, insert into again the table values, and this will be the corresponding value in each column. So if you want to insert values from for selective columns, you want to, because this particular command will feed or will fed the value or feed the value in the columns which will be in this order. So this will go to AD number, this will go to name, this will go to class. So if you want to add say only AD number, name and class, you don't want to add this section in fees. So what you are going to do here is insert into, you have to specify the column AD number. So this after these values, this will correspond to AD number, this will correspond to name, and this will correspond to this class, right? Then select command, and before I go ahead, let me tell you that this particular is a section. So you have to have a section here, not class will not do. You have to have a section here. Then only B will go, because that will be logical. Otherwise, this command will not be logical. I'm just giving you an example, and I'm telling you that section will have B. Otherwise, class will have B, and that is not logical. So you have to write section here.